Hello guys, and hope doing well. Today I'm talking about a project to make frequency with operational amplifiers. As you can see, I have 3.7 kilohertz frequency with operational amplifier ua741, and this is my schematic of the frequency generator. You can see it's very simple to make the frequency by this configuration, and we are able to make 25 Hertz and up to 10 kilohertz we change the capacity of the capacitors, like here. I connected the project to the multimeter to check exactly the frequency that we have, and also I'm connected the project with the non-oscillated buzzer or piezo. I'm connecting this. Yeah, I'm sure that you are able to feel exactly the 3.4 kilohertz frequency, and by changing the operational amplifier I'm sure that we are able to make the frequency for more than 1 gigahertz frequency with very good quality and sensitivity, and with good voltage. So I tried to make Dr. Clark Zapper 13 kilohertz with the operational amplifier. We'll make one more video about this project, and we'll upload to YouTube to check if you want to know exactly how to make the 30 kilohertz frequency zapper. You can see this schematic is in Persian, but it's very easy to know exactly how to make this project. Thanks for watching. Hope to enjoy this video. Since today you are able to make frequency with cheap and regular operational amplifier ICs, and no need to use the LM555 or other frequency generator or timer ICs. Thanks for watching.